What's up, fellow YouTubers? Just got back from the dispensary. I got some strawberry kush. Shit smells amazing, looks amazing, nice dense buds. It was only for an eighth. This was 60. Very worth it. Check it out. Nice, real nice. Smoke report coming up later on tonight.